Hello everyone. In this particular project, automation project, the customer would like to get a working example and teaching how the following is done. So the customer have an Excel with a table containing mail contacts and items they bought. He wants to send to all mail contacts an email which contains a table of individual items that their customer, his customers have bought already. And one contact may have bought between 1 to 400 different items, and he is using Office 365. Let's dive in and let's find out how it is done via an automation via our macro. So let's switch to our Excel and let's have a look at the table. So this is a sample table that has the products and the order details of different customers. So if I filter the data, you will see various customers from the Northwind database, but it's just a sample. So here are the customer's email address. So for the sake of simplicity and for the sake of proof and evidence, I have all typed my own individual email addresses that I am aware of. I have typed all of them. So in order to run the macro, we are using Alt F8 and we can run the macro. So it says to run the code, please type 1. So this is a security check. If I don't type 1, I might have accidentally launched the macro. So in order to avoid this particular case, I have added some steps to run the macro. So I type just basically 1 here. And if it asks me also if I want to have a send or draft one. So if I just type draft and can just see my emails in my Office 365 in draft folder. But I will go ahead and type send here and run the macro. The macro will be executed and it will be all sent immediately. If I have typed if I type draft there in the previous step, then I would see all the emails ready to be sent, ready to be viewed in my draft folder. I guess it's ready. I don't see any action, and I will check now my emails. So one email address was this one, and one this one. So if I check my emails, here we go. I have got an email address and how it looks like. Let's check. So it's another Excel. So in this case, this particular customer with these various IDs, the average unit price here is $13 and total quantity is here 122, and the total sum of the products he has purchased, this particular customer, is 17,297. And I have another customer. Let's check this one there. Again, in the same email address, in the same one. So this one. And this one, this customer has bought some different products. So we see here its own table, and I have another example. So here we go. So I can also download this one, and in this particular case I have just bought as this customer 2 products with an average unit price of $18 and with a total sum of 5,000K. So let me show you also the macro, just a preview. If I press edit here, you will see how my macro looks like. So I hope you will find it useful and contact me to buy this product. Thank you.